Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. My hobbies. Everyone has hobbies. A hobby is something we enjoy doing in our free time. Hobbies make us happy and help us learn new things. Some people like reading, writing, painting, singing, dancing, cooking, or gardening. Others enjoy sports, traveling, listening to music, playing video games, or collecting things. Hobbies make life more interesting and fun. Why hobbies are important. Hobbies are very important in life. They help us relax and feel happy. When we do something we love, we forget stress and worries. Hobbies also teach us new skills. For example, if we love painting, we become good at colors and creativity. If we love reading, we improve our language and imagination. Hobbies can also help us make friends. When we meet people who enjoy the same hobbies, we can share ideas and have fun together. Some hobbies can even become a career. Many successful people started their careers from hobbies. A person who loves photography can become a photographer. A person who loves cooking can become a chef. My favorite hobby, reading books. I have many hobbies, but my favorite hobby is reading books. I love reading because it helps me learn new things. Books take me to different worlds and help me explore ideas. When I read a book, I feel happy and relaxed. I read different types of books, such as storybooks. These books have interesting stories about adventure, friendship, and magic. Comics, they have fun pictures and exciting characters. Fairy tales, these stories are about kings, queens, and magical creatures. Educational books, these books help me learn about science, history, and many subjects. Reading is a great hobby because it improves my vocabulary, grammar, and knowledge. I try to read a little every day. Sometimes I read before bedtime because it helps me sleep better. Other hobbies I enjoy. Besides reading, I also enjoy many other hobbies. Each hobby gives me a different experience and makes me happy. 1. Writing stories and poems. I love writing stories and poems. When I write, I can create my own world with different characters. I write about adventures, dreams, and funny moments. Writing helps me express my thoughts and feelings. Sometimes I write in a diary. I write about my daily activities, my goals, and my dreams. It helps me remember special moments. Writing also makes my handwriting better and improves my creativity. 2. Drawing and painting. Drawing and painting are fun hobbies. I like to draw animals, nature, and cartoon characters. I use pencils, crayons, and watercolors to make my drawings colorful. When I paint, I feel relaxed. It is a peaceful hobby that helps me express my ideas. I sometimes give my drawings to my friends and family. They love my artwork and it makes me feel proud. 3. Playing sports. Sports are another great hobby. Playing sports keeps me healthy and strong. I enjoy playing football, basketball, badminton, and running. Sports help me stay active and make me feel energetic. I often play with my friends in the evening. It is fun to compete and try to win games. Playing sports teaches me teamwork, discipline, and patience. It also helps me make new friends. 4. Listening to music. Music is a big part of my life. I listen to music when I study, relax, or travel. I enjoy different types of music like pop, classical, and folk songs. Listening to music makes me feel happy. It helps me reduce stress and improve my mood. Sometimes I sing along with the songs. Singing makes me feel confident and joyful. 5. Cooking and baking. Cooking is a useful and fun hobby. I enjoy helping my parents in the kitchen. I like to cook simple dishes like pasta, sandwiches, and rice. Baking is also fun. I love making cakes, cookies, and muffins. The smell of fresh baked cookies makes me happy. Cooking teaches me patience and helps me understand different flavors. 6. Gardening. Gardening is another hobby I enjoy. I love planting flowers, vegetables, and fruits. I water my plants every day and take care of them. Watching plants grow makes me happy. Gardening also helps me learn about nature. It is a peaceful and relaxing hobby. 7. Traveling. Traveling is an exciting hobby. I love visiting new places and learning about different cultures. When I travel, I see beautiful landscapes, famous landmarks, and historical sites. Traveling teaches me new things. I learn about different languages, traditions, and foods. It also helps me make new friends and create wonderful memories. 8. Playing video games. I enjoy playing video games in my free time. Video games are fun and improve my thinking skills. Some games teach me strategy, teamwork, and problem solving. However, I make sure not to play for too long. I balance my time between games and other activities like studying and exercising. How hobbies help me in life. Hobbies help me in many ways. They make me happy and reduce stress. They help me learn new skills. They keep me active and healthy. They improve my creativity and imagination. They help me make new friends. Hobbies are not just fun, they also make me a better person. Sharing my hobbies with others. I love sharing my hobbies with my family and friends. Sometimes I read books to my younger siblings. I also play games with my friends and cook with my parents. Sharing hobbies makes them more enjoyable. I also like learning about my friends' hobbies. Some of them enjoy photography, dancing, and playing musical instruments. I try to learn from them, and they learn from me. My dream hobby in the future. In the future, I want to learn new hobbies. I want to try playing a musical instrument like the piano or guitar. I also want to learn photography because I love capturing beautiful moments. Learning new hobbies is always exciting. It helps me grow and discover new talents. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.